It doesn't always take money to make money. Now, I wish those were my words, but they're actually the words from one of my favorite sponsors, Spreadshop, the premier resource for print on demand and creating your own custom merchandise. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is print on demand? Let me explain. Print on demand is a printing methodology whereby nothing is actually printed until a company receives an order. This allows them to print things even down to single items. Now, what's the benefit of print on demand to creators like us? Well, there's actually quite a few. First of all, it costs us nothing. Spreadshop actually takes care of having all of the stock and merchandise, taking care of all of the printing, doing all of the order fulfillment, taking all of the payments, and doing all of the shipping for you at no cost whatsoever. Spreadshop has their set prices to do all these things. So let's say that there's a t-shirt that costs them $15 to make and ship. All you need to do is decide what price point you want to add on top of that, say another $4, and the total price of that garment would be $19. They take $15, you get paid $4, everyone is happy, and you never had to touch a thing in the process. Spreadshop has locations in both the US and overseas, so they can ship to virtually anywhere in the world. All you have to do is set up a Spreadshop and optimize it and create the designs that you want to be printed in your shop. Spreadshop is actually partnered with Placeit that allows you to access tons of custom product photos that you can use to work with. They even have a premier design service with custom designs at a really unbeatable price in case you have no idea what it is you want to make. Spreadshop even integrates with the YouTube merch shelf so you can start selling your custom designs right on your YouTube channel, underneath your videos, and even in your live streams. And even if you don't have a merch shelf yet, you could use the link to your Spreadshop down in the description of your videos or in the pinned comments to start selling merch today. All you need to do is go to Spreadshop now, sign up with your email and a password and the name of your shop, which you can change at any time, and you're ready to start selling merch. I'll put links down below where you can actually sign up and start building your Spreadshop for free today, and watch for more videos in this series where I'll show you how to make your own custom designs, upload and put them onto different merch, and I'll even show you how to set up and optimize your Spreadshop so it looks really unique and helps you start selling your own custom merch today. I look forward to seeing what some of your shops look like, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.